this is going to be real quick and easy, so let's go ahead and get started. First thing you're going to do is you're going to take the rope off of the hearts that they have at the Dollar Tree. As you can see, they're already pretty nice little hearts. You can use them the way that they are, but I wanted to make them a little more glam because my room has a little more glam to it. So, see how nice those are? So we're going to go ahead and get started by using our mirror reflective paper, and I'll leave a link for that below in the description box so that you guys can know where I got that from. I just picked that up from Amazon. And with the roll, you can do a lot of different projects, so I think it's a good price for what it is. So we're just going to measure that, and we're going to cut our mirror reflective paper to cover our hearts. Okay, so now we have the first piece of mirror reflective paper cut. Now we're going to need two pieces, so I'm going to take that same piece that I cut and I'm going to measure it to get my second piece for my second heart. And I'm just placing that on the back there, and then we're going to find that line and we're just going to make the cut. I told you guys, very simple, very easy. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit that notification bell to receive new uploaded videos. Okay, so now what we're doing is we're taking the reflective paper off of the backing, and we're going to take our heart and we're going to place it right on that paper, and we're going to press really hard on that because we want to make sure that we try to get out as many bubbles as we can. And that'll keep us from doing too much work later on. So we'll press hard on that. Okay, and then what we will do is we will take our ox cutter or your X-Acto knife, and then we're just going to cut around the heart. Okay, now what we're doing is we're just smoothing out those bubbles, and we're just doing that using our hands, pressing firmly and just smoothing that out. Now you can see that it's all smooth. We have both hearts covered. And we're just going to get started on finishing up the project. So now what you see me doing here is I'm taking a couple of pieces of foam board from the Dollar Tree as well. And I'm covering that with mirror reflective paper as well. And you can measure this however you like. I did realize later on that I should have measured it a little bit longer so that I would have that standing part instead of me actually making a little piece to stand. So now we have both of our pieces covered with mirror reflective paper, and we're just going to add it onto our heart to begin making our opening for our vase. And you can measure this any way that you would like. Like I said before, if I knew, I would have made it a little longer so that I would have a flat surface instead of that rounded surface on the heart. But as it stands, we're just going to do it this way. So now we have both pieces of foam board on our heart, the first heart. We're going to take a small piece of foam board and add it to the bottom of the vase so that we can enclose that. And again, the measuring is pretty much just by eye, just looking at it to see what that measurement would be. And I'm just using our trusty glue gun. So now we're just going to reinforce that on the sides here. Now we're taking our second heart and we're going to go ahead and place that on top. And again, guys, I'm just eyeballing it. There's no real rhyme or reason to it. if you're looking at it directly, you will see how to place your heart on where it will be even with the first heart. And again, if you're new to my channel, it's so nice to see you. We hope that you will join us for other DIY tutorials. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to be notified of new uploaded videos. And there you have it, guys. Simple, easy, quick, and it looks just gorgeous, just like it is. So all we have to do now is take our embellishments, whatever you would like to use. I'm going to be using these gems I picked up from Walmart. And also I'm going to use my red roses. And I'll let you guys see the end product. It is, guys, just beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, be royale, be classy, and be